Transferring your precious Samsung memories and important files to your Mac shouldn't be a hassle. Let's make it happen with just a USB cable. First things first, we need the right tool on your Mac. Open a web browser and search for Android File Transfer. You'll want to download the official application from the Android website. Once downloaded, locate the file and drag it into your Applications folder. You'll then see the Android File Transfer icon. You can drag this to your dock for easy access later. Now, let's get your Samsung phone ready. Unlock your Samsung phone. Connect your Samsung phone to your Mac using a USB cable on your phone. You'll likely see a notification asking how you want to use the USB connection. Tap on this notification. Make sure you select File Transfer or MTP Media Transfer Protocol. This is the crucial step that allows your Mac to see your phone's storage. With your phone connected and in file transfer mode, open the Android File Transfer application on your Mac. You should now see all the folders on your Samsung device. To transfer files, simply navigate through the folders on your Samsung device. Typically, you'll find your photos in a DCIM folder and downloads in a downloads folder. Open the folder containing the files you want to transfer. Then, open a Finder window on your Mac, create a new folder if you wish, and drag and drop the selected files or entire folders from the Android File Transfer window into your desired location on your Mac. And just like that, your files are safely on your Mac. Disconnect your phone and you're all set for seamless data sharing.